Okay, I do a longer video. All you have to do is go find it under our DGM Insights channel. But basically, the scam is that we bought it through Orbitz for about $200, and they wanted about $500, and so they charged us a $353 cleaning fee. The catch is that we took pictures when we got it, we took pictures after we got it, and the cleaning fee is a joke. And it was clean when we returned it. Now we rented it for a week, and we did live in it a week. We traveled in it, and we lived in a motel, but we traveled in it as a family. And so the catch is videotape everything, because it's a scam to try and get your money to bring the money back up to what they wanted. So don't get scammed. Videotape everything and complain to your credit card, complain to this company. We're going to post the company's name in the longer videos later, depending on how they act.